Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be cooking Italian potato pasta, gnocchi. So from scratch. So we will need potato, flour, egg. And for the basil pesto, we need basil, lemon juice, garlic, pine nuts, grana padano cheese, and olive oil. All right, we'll start with the dough. All right, the dough looks good. It's not too soft, and it's not too dry, and not so wet. All right, so it looks good. So we shouldn't be kneading too long, so we don't want to overdo it. So that should be enough. So now I'm gonna roll nice long sausage from the dough, okay? And then we'll just split it in two to create our beautiful gnocchis. Gnocchis. I hope Italians not gonna hate me for pronunciation. All right, that's about it. Okay. And now we'll just split it in two. Like that. So put a little bit more flour and just keep rolling nice and round. Okay, looks good. And just make sure they're kind of equal, not fatter or skinnier in some areas. Okay, and they look good to me. And now we'll just cut. Okay, so now I'm gonna roll them from each side in the flour, like that. Like that. And we'll form shape of the gnocchi. So we could make like nice lines. This is just for the sauce to stick in it, or you could just make an indent with your finger. Both looks absolutely normal. All right, I'm gonna continue doing it. Different shapes. Just go with the process. I love working with the dough. It's so fun. It's not always coming out very good, but the process is absolutely enjoyable. All right. All right, so water is boiling. The gnocchi is ready. Now we're just gonna boil them. And they will be cooking until they all start going up, and they will be ready. And while they're cooking, we will prepare basil pesto. Now is the most important part. So gnocchi is almost ready. They're floating up, and we're gonna create the beautiful basil pesto. Smells just absolutely amazing. So we'll need basil, garlic. So we will need pine nuts. We will need Parmigiano cheese, olive oil. Yep. Never too much. And lemon juice. So let's see. All right, it's coming out so beautiful. Wow. Look at this gorgeous pesto. Oh my God. Absolutely delicious. I must notice I use not a regular Parmesan, I use grana padano cheese. It's more, I would say, slightly bitter, a little bit more salty. So that's why it gives different taste to this pesto. And it's more expensive. All right. Let's check our gnocchis. All right. Let's get them out. Look at these babies here. So nice. If I would be Italian, I would say gorgissimo. But I would just say gorgeous. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna marry them together. Oh, look at this amazing stuff here. This beautiful, beautiful food. And all the colors and aroma and textures, just absolutely mind-blowing. All right. I don't want to waste any of this valuable stuff, so I have to scratch everything to the last drop. All right. Let's see. Okay. And this is what you call home cooking. Look at this. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. All right, now it's time to try. It's a heaven. Unbelievable. So this is potato gnocchi with the basil pesto. Delicious.